Good morning class 10th. Welcome back to one more video that is on operation of matrices, and today we'll be understanding and learning about something new, and that is operation of matrix. Okay, जब एक मैट्रिक्स होता है तो हम उसे IX लगाते हैं, और जब ढेर सारे होते हैं तो हम एक से ज़्यादा होते हैं तो ICES लगाते हैं. Okay, so that's why we call तभी आप सोचे होंगे मैट्रिक्स बोल रहे हैं, मैट्रिसेस बोल रहे हैं. So when we have one, then we call it a matrix, and when we have more than one, we call it matrices. Okay, so operation of matrix. Under operation of matrix, let me be very clear to you guys. There are three things that will be coming: addition, subtraction, and multiplication via number. Okay, so I'll go one by one. What does it mean? Okay, but I have over here two matrices. A equals to, all the elements are there, 5, 2, minus 1, 7, 4, 0, and B matrix is minus 1, 5, 29, 11, minus 4, 3. Okay, I can only add and subtract if the order of two matrices or three matrices are same. Okay, so if I have C matrix, let's say the order is 2, 5, 0, 9. I can't add B plus C because the order are not same, or I can't subtract B from C because the order are not same. So keep one thing in mind: I can only add and subtract. I'm only talking about addition and subtraction right now. I'm not talking about multiplication right now. So I can only add and subtract only and only then when I have the order of the matrix is same. So for example, what is the order of this? 2 rows, 3 columns. So 2 into 3. What is the order of this? 2 into 3. Then only I can add and subtract. Okay, let's see. If I have to add A plus B, matrix A and B, you know the name of this matrix is A and the name of this matrix is B. So how to add A and B? This is how you add. Okay, I'm adding it over here for you. 5 plus minus 1. Okay, then minus 1 plus 29. Then 4 plus minus 4. Okay, 2 plus 5. 7 plus 11. 0 plus 3. Now you might have understood what I am doing over here. I am adding the corresponding number that is with that. 5 plus minus 1. Minus 1 plus 29. 4 plus minus 4. So I am adding two numbers, okay, which are corresponding to each other. Okay, I can't add 5 with 29. No. Where is 5 sitting? Where is 5 sitting? It's sitting at this place. First row, first column. And where is minus 1 sitting? First row, first column. So I'll add the first row and first column. जिसका same address है मैं उनको add करूँगा. Okay. So what is my new answer that I'm gonna get? A plus B जो मेरा आंसर आएगा, तो मेरा आंसर कितना आएगा? आपको पता है इसका आंसर कितना आ सकता है? ये -1 हो जाएगा तो 4, इसका हो जाएगा 28, इसका हो जाएगा 0, इसका हो जाएगा 2 plus 5 7, इसका हो जाएगा 18, इसका हो जाएगा 3. So this is a new, total new, what? I got a totally new matrix. Okay, and the order of this is going to be also 2 into 3. When I add two matrix जिसका order 2 into 3 है, तो जो मेरा order आएगा, जो next आएगा, उसका भी order 2 into 3 ही आना चाहिए. ठीक है? Let's try subtracting. Let's try subtracting. Okay. So how to subtract? Same thing. Okay. So I have over here. So what I'll do, 5 minus 1. Okay. And then minus 1 minus 49. And then 4 minus 4. Okay. And then 2 minus 5. 7 minus 11. And 0 minus 3. So I write it like this. I am subtracting matrix A from matrix B. So that's how I write minus in the middle. Don't get confused and don't bring the answer in just one step. Write this down and then bring your answer. Okay. So if you see, this is going to become plus, and this is going to become 6. Okay, over here it's going to become minus 30. Over here it's going to become plus 4, so it's going to be 8. This is going to be minus 3. Okay, 7 minus 11 is going to be minus 4, and this is going to be minus 3. So that's how you will get your answer actually. Okay, by when you are subtracting one side from the other side. We'll do also some questions on this, don't worry. Okay, we'll do some questions and you'll get to know what is happening in the questions as well. Okay, multiplication by a number. Multiplication of a matrix by a number. Let's say I have to solve this. Did you understand something? I have to multiply 3 by matrix B. This means I have to multiply 3 by matrix B. So how will I write? 3 and matrix B I will write. What is matrix B? Minus 1. Okay. 29 minus 4. 5, 11, 3. And then 3 is going to get multiplied with each and every number that is inside matrix B. So what? 3 is going to go inside and multiply by this. 3 is going to get inside and multiply by this. 3 9 is 27, 2, 3, 2, 6, 7, 8, 87. This 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 11s are 33. 3 3s are 9. So if you have a look, I multiplied everything. Okay, so this topic is multiplication. I am not teaching you how to multiply A or B to matrix. We'll do that in the third exercise. Okay, right now I am teaching you how to multiply a number with a whole matrix. So अगर कोई सा भी number जैसे इसको 10 से multiply करना, so 10 is going to get multiplied by each and every element. So minus 10, 290, minus 40, 50, 110, 30. So okay, so this is how you solve operation on matrix: addition, subtraction and multiplication. I hope you guys are getting it right. Okay, let's try solving some questions. I have one example number 3 out of a box, and we'll understand how to solve this. So you can see a equation, okay? This equation that is being formed in example number 3. Now, one thing I can do is I can multiply 3. The very first thing I'll do is I'll multiply, okay? So how will it look like? It's going to look like something like this. Now what is it telling me? It is telling me that this matrix is being subtracted by this matrix and I am getting minus 2. So how will I write this? I will write it like this: x square minus 3x equals to 2. Okay, so that's how I am going to write it down. Okay, or also what I can do, first of all I can subtract both the matrix. So when I subtract both the matrix, what will I get? X square minus 3x, and over here y square minus 6y, and then equals to minus 2, 9. So I have two equations that is being formed: x square minus 3x equals to minus 2, and the second equation that is being formed is y square minus 6y equals to 9, isn't it? And when I shift minus 2 on this side, x square minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0, you see a quadratic equation. You see a quadratic equation over here, and when I shift 9 also over here, y square minus 6y and then plus 9 minus 9 equals to 0. So what's happening over here? This is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. How to find the value of x in a quadratic equation? You split middle terms. That's how you do it, especially when there is a quadratic equation. And that's what you do. So how to split the middle terms? I think how can you split this? That is x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. I have split this term, the middle one, in minus 2x and minus x. So जब इसको solve करूँगा तो minus 3x आ जाएगा, equals to 0. Okay, so if you see what's common, x is common over here, so x minus 2. What's common over here? Nothing, so I'll take minus 1, so x minus 2. So I have two brackets x minus 2 and the other one is x minus 1. So my answer is x is equals to 2 or x is equals to 1. Okay, so I got answer of x, two answers of x. That's okay. Okay, that's how I can bring my answer. Okay, see, my deal is not how to solve the quadratic equation. My deal is how to solve matrix when this type of things are given. So what you're gonna do first? You're gonna multiply first. Okay, and then there are two matrices. You're gonna subtract both the matrices. When you subtract, you get this equation equals to, आपको पता है इक्वल मैट्रिक्स क्या होता है, तो मैंने इसको इसके इक्वल रख दिया, इसको इसके इक्वल रख दिया और तो मेरे पास दो इक्वेशन आ गई। ये आपका मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिट से मैच सॉल्व नहीं होगा, तो आप सिंपल फॉर्म में से सॉल्व कर सकते हो, b माइनस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac upon 2a. You know this formula, right? You can solve it through this method. You will get your answer as well. Okay? I hope you guys are getting this. Okay? So don't worry about how to solve. We'll also solve question number 7. Question number 7, if you guys have a look, it says 1 minus 2 4 3 plus 2m, capital M. M is all capital. जब भी लिखा रहता है इसका मतलब वो मैट्रिक्स का नाम है. Okay? So equals to 3 and this. So what I'll do is, what I'll do? I'm going to find m. So if I have to find m, I have to shift this on that side. So when I have to shift this on that side, it's going to become 2m equals to, I multiply this because this is getting multiplied, 9 6 0 minus 9. Okay, 3 को सबसे मल्टीप्लाई करके, okay, माइनस ये वाला इधर प्लस है, उधर जाके माइनस हो जाएगा, तो कितना हो जाएगा 1 4 माइनस 2 3. मैंने अंदर के साइन चेंज नहीं किए, अभी मैंने बस इसके साइन चेंज किए. ये मैट्रिक्स का प्लस था, आगे उधर जाके आगे क्या हो गया माइनस. ओके, नाउ आई वांट टू सबट्रैक्ट बोथ द मैट्रिसेस. ओके, व्हेन आई सबट्रैक्ट बोथ द मैट्रिसेस, व्हाट आई विल बी गेटिंग 9 minus 1 6 minus 4 0 minus 2 minus 9 minus 2. ठीक है, so 2m will be 2 capital M, sorry, equals to 9 minus 1 is 8. What is this? 6 minus 4 is 2. This is minus 2, and this is 12 minus 2. Right? पर मुझे किसकी वैल्यू गिवनी है? Find matrix M. But something is disturbing me over here. What is it? 2. What is 2 getting over here? Multiply. When it goes on the other side, what happens? You know what happens, right? It divides. So I'm going to take 2 over there and divide. Whenever I have to divide or multiply, अगर ये divide तो मैं बोल दूँगा 1 by 2 से. तो जब ये सबसे multiply होगा 1 by 2, okay, so कितना हो जाएगा ये 4 हो जाएगा, ये 1 हो जाएगा, ये -1 हो जाएगा, ये 6 minus 6 हो जाएगा. So everything got divided by -2. So यहाँ पे 2 हो रहा था, उधर आके नीचे divide हो गया, 1 के नीचे 2 रह गया, और ये half या divide by 2 सबसे multiply हो गया, and this is my answer. So this is the value of capital M, matrix M, and that's how you do this question. Okay, so it's not much today. You have to do question number 7. I hope you understood what the concept is all about, or the operation of matrices. Okay, so thank you so much for listening. Have a good day. Enjoy doing the questions.